this field from last 3 years. I do have an experience with working with. Presently, I'm also working with Cult, and I do have experience, and I'm certified from the Ministry of Ayush itself, certified yoga teacher as well as evaluator. So today I'm going to take your session. So I'm looking forward to that all the peoples are going to enjoy the session. So let's see. We'll start. First, we are going to sit in the comfortable cross-leg position. Okay. Keep your both hands in the Gyan Mudra. Gyan Mudra is thumb touching your index. Keep it on your thighs. Keep your back straight and gently close your eyes. So we are going to first calm the mind and the body. Keep breathing. Try to observe your breathing. With closed eyes, keep observing your breath. With each exhalation passing by, try to relax your body further. Now slowly bring your awareness toward your body. With closed eyes, try to observe the entire body from head to toe. Observe your legs in cross-leg position. Observe your entire torso. Try to observe your back muscles. Observe your entire spine from the base of the neck till tailbone. Observe your neck as well as your head. Become aware of the entire body. Now slowly bring your awareness toward your breath again. Check the pace of your breath. Now we will start the session by chanting 3 Omkaras together. So first join the both palms together at your heart center in Namaskara. Again, inhale deeply. Last time, inhale deeply. Feel the vibration of Omkara. Very slowly open your palms and blink open your eyes in your palms. Join the palms, bow down, surrender yourself to the practice, and come out. So we did this centering part. Here we tried to relax the body as well as the mind. Before starting any session, we always try to relax the mind and the body. Then we go into the warm up. So now we are going to move toward the warm up part. So in the warm up, first what we are going to do is we are going to go into the cat and camel base position. So what you will do is you will keep your both palms exactly under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Come into this position. This is called cat and camel base position. Now what you will do is keeping the toes tucked in. With inhalation, you will push your abdomen down and lift your head up. With exhalation, tuck your core inside, drop your head, hunch your back. Inhale, lift your head up, try to push your abdomen down. Exhale, drop your head, tuck your core. Inhale, up, exhale, down. Keep repeating. Inhale up, exhale down. Keep doing it. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, exhale, inhale. Slowly, slowly. Inhale, exhale. Very good. With inhalation, come back to center. Come back to center. Now, keep your spine in the neutral position. Now look toward the camera. What you have to do now is you will tuck your toes and you will lift your knees off the mat. Go into the mountain pose. Go into mountain pose. Hold yourself here. Hold for 5 count. Hold 1, 2, 3. Keep breathing. 4 and 5. Now bring the right foot forward in between the palms. Drop your left knee down, left toe out. Yes. Now what you will do is, keeping the left palm down, you will stretch the right hand up toward the ceiling. Open your chest to the right side and feel the twist in the spine. Yes. Open the chest. Hold for 5 count. 1, 2. Keep breathing. 3, 4 and 5. Put the palm down. Now take your right leg back. Go again into the mountain pose. Hold mountain pose. Now bring the left foot forward in between the palm. Drop your right knee down, right toe out. Now this time with inhalation, lift your left hand up. Open your chest to the left side. Twist your body. Feel the twisting in your spine. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Put the palms down. Take your left leg back. Once again, hold the mountain pose. Now from here, bring the right foot outside of your right palm. Bring the right foot outside of your right palm. Keep your left leg straight, left knee off the mat. Now this time you are going to drop your both elbows down on the mat. Interlock your fingers and will hold this posture. This is called lizard posture. Hold here. 1, 2, 3. Look forward. Don't look down. 4 and 5. Come back on the palms. Take your right leg back. Hold again the mountain posture. Yes, very good. Now inhale. Bring the left foot outside of your left palm. Keeping the right leg straight. Drop your both elbows in line with your left ankle. Drop your elbows. Interlock your fingers. Look forward. Look forward. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come back on the palms and take your left leg back. Hold. Again, mountain posture. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Drop your knees down and sit up. Sit up. So this was the warm up. Now we will move toward the Surya Namaskara practice. So before starting the Surya Namaskara, I would like to know, do you have the knowledge of the Surya Namaskara, Shivananda style?
Yeah, sir.
Are you aware of it? Some?
Sir, it is a setup of some.
Sorry, your voice.
And it is done in the front of sun.
I'm not able to get you. Can you repeat again?
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are. Your voice was breaking.
Okay, sir.
Yes, you are now audible to me.
It is a combination of, I guess, 5-6 mudras synchronized in a proper manner, and it is done in front of Surya probably.
In front of what?
Especially in the morning, it is being done.
Sun salutation. You are talking about the sun salutation, no?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So you are aware of it, and you are aware of all the asanas, all the body movement also there in the Surya Namaskar.
Yeah.
Or do you want me to demonstrate it to you?
If you will demonstrate, because other people would also be able to know.
For sure. And before starting that Surya Namaskara, just one advice: style Surya Namaskara first. So I'll show you the demonstration. You observe, try to see all the scrutiny of the posture which I'm going to show you, which I'm going to tell you, and then you are going to repeat it with me. Okay. So first round is of demonstration. So we'll come up on the mat. Okay. So first step, where you will hold the Samsthiti position, where your big toes and heels are joined, your knees and thighs are activated. You are tucking your cores inside, squeeze your glute muscles, roll your shoulders back with inhalation. With exhalation, join the palms, Namaskara. First position. Now from here, inhale, hands up. So you have to push your hips forward and arch back. So ensure that you are not looking up. Otherwise, you could fell also on the back. So you have to look forward when you are arching back. With exhalation, you will stretch your arms forward. Keep stretching the arm forward and eventually put your palms beside your feet. If you're not able to touch your fingertips, it's fine. Keep your hands hanging in the air, or you can keep your knees bent and touch your fingertips on the mat. Now from here, take your right leg back, drop your knee, right toe out, and keep your chest open. Keep your fingertips also on the mat like this. This is called Ashu Sanchalan. Hold, and then from here, holding the breath, you will take your left leg back, keep your body in one straight line, plank position. Here, ensure that your palm is exactly under the shoulders. Now drop your knees first, keep your hips off the mat and drop your chest in between your palms, chin also on the mat. Now next step, Bhujangasana, scoop up, keep your pelvic down, come up, lift your chest up, head up. Do not come up fully and do not tuck your shoulders up. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Keep your elbow touched to your torso. Next step, Parvatasana. Lift your hips up, tuck your toes, keep your feet together. Keep pressing the heel down and also push your hips up toward the ceiling. Now from here, inhale, bring the right foot again forward. Keep your left knee down, open the chest, keep your fingertips on the mat and look forward. Now next step, bring the left foot also forward, Padhastasana once again. If possible, keep your palms beside your feet. Otherwise, you can keep your fingertips also on the mat, keeping the knees bent. Then from here, stretch your arms forward and eventually come up, arch back. Exhale, drop the hand to the side, Samsthiti. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, drop the hand to the side. Okay, any confusion? Do you want to know anything?
No, sir. Let us just repeat. You just guide us thereafter.
Okay, so now you are going to do it with the from the left side. This time I'm going to observe. Okay, so first, Samsthiti, stand up, stand straight on the mat, keep your knees activated, knees, thighs activated, feet together. Now first join the palms together at the chest center, Namaskara. Join the palms, inhale, hands up, arch back. Keep looking forward when you are bending back. Exhale, fold forward and place your palm beside your foot. Go down, slowly by stretching the arms. Very good. Now inhale, take your left leg back. Left leg back, drop the knee, left toe out. Yes, your right foot should be forward in between the palms.
Yeah.
Oops, look again. That's how you are going to do it. Left foot should be forward this way. Okay, right knee will be back, right toe will be out. Okay, now retain the breath, take your left leg also back, go into plank posture. Yes, while holding the plank posture, ensure that your palms is exactly under the shoulders and your body is in one straight line. Do not arch your back. Great. Inhale, scoop up, come up into Bhujangasana, put your pelvic down on the mat, lift your chest up, pelvic down. Yes, very good. Do not come up completely. You have to lift your chest slightly off the mat. Okay, now put the palms and tuck your toes, go into the mountain pose. Tuck your toes, go into mountain pose. Keep pressing the hips up toward the ceiling and also push your shoulders back. Now inhale, left foot forward in between the palm. Yes, you can drop your right knee, then bring the left foot forward in between the palm. Bring your left foot forward. You can use your hand to bring the left foot forward. Yes. Now inhale, come up, arch back. Exhale, drop the hand to the side. Samsthiti. Great. Drop your hands to the side. Great. So I just want to know, is that the first time you are trying this Surya Namaskara with, asanas?
Yes, sir. These were the steps.
No, these are the steps I know, but you are trying, it seems like you are trying it for the first time.
Actually, sir, it was not so much, when I was in school, then I used to do that. So it has been more than 6 to 7 years has been passed, or 8 to 10 years has been
Okay,
passed.
okay.
So
Yeah, yeah,
probably,
I can clearly infer it by seeing your posture. So it's fine.
yes, sir.
So do you want to do one more round of it? And what I can see is that if for you, if it is possible to place your mat horizontally, then I can see the
Okay,
correction also. Then I can tell you what are the things you can do to improve your posture, to a significant amount, you can say,
okay,
to
sir, no
improve it
problem.
better. Okay. So would you like to do?
Yeah, yeah, sure, sir, no problem.
Okay. Once again, step up on the mat.
Let me just make it aside.
Posture. So this is not going to work,
Is
sir,
this visible?
because
Probably
your
there is
torso
space
is
constraint.
no your torso. Yes, it
That
seems
that's
like
why.
the space constraint is there. It's okay if you have the space constraint, you can put it in front of your mat. We can do it in the vertical way also. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
I'll do also with you just in case if
Sure,
if you don't understand anything, and then we'll try to rectify it again. Okay,
sure,
so
sure.
step up on the mat again. First step, join the palms with Namaskara. Join the palms at heart center, Namaskara. Inhale, lift your hands up, lengthen your spine, push your pelvic forward, arch back. Exhale, stretch your arms forward, go down, put the palms beside your feet. You can keep your knees bent, try to feel your abdomen on the thigh. Now from here, inhale, take your right leg back. If you have any confusion, look toward the camera. Keep your fingertips on the mat, chest open. Now retain the breath. Take your left leg also back. Go into plank posture. So keep your both palms under your shoulders in the plank posture. Exhale, drop your knees. Hips off the mat, chin and chest on the mat. Inhale, scoop up Bhujangasana. Do not come up completely. Keep your chest slightly off the mat. Exhale, tuck your toes, go into mountain pose. Now from here, inhale, bring the right foot forward in between the palm. Left knee down, left toe out. Keep your chest open, fingertips on the mat. Exhale, right foot also forward. Keep your palms beside your feet. Inhale, by stretching the arms from the forward direction, come up. Eventually arch back. Exhale, drop the hand to the side. Now from the left side, inhale. Exhale, join the palms. Inhale, hands up, arch back. Exhale, go down. Put the palms beside your feet. You can keep your knees bent. Now inhale. Take your left leg back. Drop your knee, toe out. Keep your fingertips on the mat, chest open. Retain the breath. Go for plank posture. Take your right leg back. Keep your body in one straight line. Exhale, first drop your knees. Keeping the hips off the mat. Exhale, drop your chest also down, chin also on the mat. Inhale, scoop up. Exhale, go for mountain pose. Inhale, left foot forward, chest open. Exhale, right foot also forward. Inhale, come up, arch back. Exhale, drop the hand to the side. One more round you are going to do. Once again, inhale, exhale, join the palms together. Namaskara. Inhale, hands up, arch back. Exhale, go down. Yes, go down. Put the palms beside your feet, knees bent. Inhale, take your right leg back. Retain the breath, go for plank posture. Exhale, knee, chest, chin down on the mat, hips off the mat. Inhale, scoop up. Come up, chest up, head up, chest up. Exhale, go into mountain pose. Very good. Exhale, go into mountain pose. Yes, lift your hips up towards the ceiling. Now inhale, right foot forward in between the palm. Right foot forward. Okay, you come up. Okay, drop the hand, samsthiti. Drop your hand, samsthiti. It's fine, it's fine. It's fine. Okay. So, as I can see, there are lots of flaws. You don't have that knowledge of the Surya
Right.
Namaskara. So it's fine. Okay. So apart from you, anybody else who is, proficient with this Surya Namaskara, who wants to, correct his posture, who wants to improve his posture? Nobody? Fine. Fine, fine, fine. So we'll now move toward the individual asanas. Okay. So I'm going to make this class, I'm going to keep this class easy for everyone. So what we are going to do is we are going to do simple asanas today. So first you will all stand up on the mat. You are all going to stand up on the mat. Simple things. Try to